Hello everyone, welcome to Get 100 Marks. In today's discussion, we are going to discuss about cryptography. Cryptography is one of the major tools which is used for securing your e-commerce. Let's understand what is cryptography. Cryptography derived its name from a Greek word called cryptos, which means hidden secrets. Cryptography is the practice and study of hiding information. It is a technique which is used when two parties are involved in a transaction and they want their messages to be hidden from the third party. It is an art or science of converting a plain, intelligible data into an unintelligible data and again retransforming that message into its original form. Here, intelligible, it means a plain text or the original data or the original information which one party needs to pass it on to the other party. During the transit, this cryptography technique converts that intelligible data or plain text or the original message into an unintelligible data, into a cipher form in computer terms or an text which is unreadable by the third party. So once the second party who is about to receive the information is receiving it, it will once again get converted into a plain text using a technique. This cryptography provides confidentiality, integrity, and accuracy. Let's see how this cryptography as a technique works. Initially, the first party is passing on the plain text or the original message, which is in a very much readable format and it is not encrypted. Here comes the process or a technique called as an encryption, where this plain text is getting converted into a cipher text. That ciphertext will be always in a non-readable format, which we call it as an unintelligible data. Then, before reaching the third party, it gets decrypted, where the unreadable format will be again getting converted into a readable format, and it reaches the third party as a original message, what is intended to be passed. As discussed in the previous slide, we have two processes involved. One is encryption and decryption. Encryption converts the plain text into an unintelligible format, that is otherwise called as ciphertext. And decryption, it converts the ciphertext into a plain text. Let's see what are the objectives of cryptography. Privacy. The transmitted data should not be known by the external parties except for the intended individual, and it ensures reliability, that the data cannot be modified in storage or transferred between the sender and the destined receiver, having no kind of modification. Non-repudiation. Once the data is transmitted, the sender has no chance to deny it in later phases. So once the data is transmitted, it has to go and reach the party, the second party who is at the receiving end. Thank you.